नमस्कार. इयत्ता 10वी विषय विज्ञान भाग 1 सेमी इंग्रजी माध्यम विज्ञान सुधारित मूल्यमापन पद्धतीनुसार इयत्ता 10वीतील विज्ञान भाग 1 मधील सर्व आकृत्या यांचा अभ्यास या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण करणार आहोत. तर सुरू करूया आजचा व्हिडिओ. पहिली आकृती आहे द ऑर्बिट ऑफ द प्लॅनेट मूव्हिंग अराउंड द सन. Magnetic effect of the current. Magnetic field produced around the conductor. Right hand thumb rule. Magnetic field produced by a current through a loop. Magnetic lines. Force of magnetic field produced by a current passing through a solenoid coil. Electric motor principle and working. Hooke's apparatus. Specific heat capacity of a metal. Refraction of light passing through a glass slab. Light ray containing a glass slab from air. Refraction of light in a different medium. Dispersion of light. Rainbow production. Types of lenses. Optical center of lenses. Real image formed by a convex lens. Image formed by a position of an object. Image formed by a concave lens. Apparent size of an object. Principal focus of a lens. A compound microscope. Reaction of metal with water. Combination of metal. Reaction of metal with water. Reaction of metal with dilute acid. Reaction of metal with solution of states of other water. Verify the properties of ionic compound. Hydraulic separation. Magnetic separation. Extraction of aluminum. Electroplanting. Reaction of acetic acid and sodium carbonate and esterification of reaction. Thank you.